Apple cider vinegar has some exciting health benefits. In this video, I will try to discuss 7 most important health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Number 1. Kill many types of bacteria. Vinegar helps killing pathogens, including bacteria. It has traditionally used for cleaning and disinfecting, treating nail fungus, warts, lice and ear infections. Studies show that it inhibits bacteria from growing in the food and spoiling it. If you want to preserve your food naturally, apple cider vinegar could be highly useful. Number 2. Lower cholesterol and reduce a risk of heart disease. Cardiovascular disease is currently the biggest cause of death nowadays. Several measurable biological factors are linked to either a decreased or increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Some of these risk factors have been shown to be improved by vinegar consumption. Apple cider vinegar also contains the antioxidant chlorogenic acid, which has been shown to protect LDL cholesterol particles from becoming oxidized. Number 3. Helps to lose weight. Vinegar with high-carb meals can increase feelings of fullness and make people eat 200-275 fewer calories for the rest of the day. By reducing calorie intake, this should translate to reduce weight over time. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar boosts energy. Exercise and stress cause lactic acid to build up in the body, causing fatigue. Interestingly, the amino acids contained in apple cider vinegar act as the antidote. Apple cider vinegar contains potassium and enzymes that relieve that tired feeling. When you beat, add a tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar to a glass of chilled vegetable drink or to a glass of water to boost your energy. Number 5. Control blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar could help keep your blood sugar levels balanced, according to several studies that have shown a link between these two. Arizona State University found that insulin-resistant people who drank a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water before eating a high-carbohydrate meal had lower blood sugar afterward. Scientists think the anti-glycemic effect of the acid is the key. Number 6. Natural teeth whitener. One of the best uses of apple cider vinegar is the natural teeth whitener. Take your finger and rub apple cider vinegar on your teeth for 1 minute. Then wash your mouth with water. The pH of apple cider vinegar removes stains from your teeth, which helps naturally whiten your teeth. Number 7. Cure cold and sore throat. Apple cider vinegar is the ultimate remedy to cure cold and sore throat fast. Because apple cider vinegar is loaded with vitamins and probiotic-boosting acetic acid, it is a great natural cure. Take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of water 3 times a day to cure a cold.